Hey there, let's talk about something that can totally change how you feel every single day. Living with no judgment. No judgment toward yourself, and no judgment toward anyone else.
Think about it. Every time we judge someone, their clothes, their choices, their success, that same energy turns right back on us.
Our brain gets trained to criticize ourselves even harder. It's this endless loop that steals our peace.
Now imagine walking through your day without that constant inner voice or that quick side eye. How much lighter would you feel?
How much more energy would you have for things you actually love? Here's how you start, super simple. First, just catch yourself. Next time a judgmental thought pops up, why are they like that? Or, I messed up again. Pause. Don't fight it, just notice it. That's already a win.
Second, swap judgment for curiosity. Instead of, this person is annoying, try, I wonder what's going on for them.
What do I need right now? Curiosity melts judgment away. Practice on the little things first.
Traffic, weather, someone's playlist, turn this is so annoying into it's just doing its thing. Those tiny shifts build up fast.
Self-judgment is the sneakiest one. That voice saying you're not enough.
I'm doing my best today.
Sounds small, but it changes everything. No judgment doesn't mean you lose your opinions.
It means you hold them lightly. You observe instead of attack. You understand instead of condemn. Start today. Pick one moment where you usually judge, maybe scrolling Instagram, and choose curiosity instead. Feel how different it is. You've got this. The world needs more people who see with kind eyes, and it starts with the eyes you turn on yourself. Drop the judgment, pick up compassion. Your heart will thank you. Stay kind, stay curious. See you soon.
If you love this video, then like, share, and please subscribe this channel for more educational videos.